Hi and welcome back to another review. Today we're looking at another CNFans item that we've purchased, and if you haven't heard of CNFans, basically what they are is an agent shopping portal website. Basically you identify items that you want, you then purchase them, the agent then goes off and buys them on your behalf. They then take photos, which are called QC photos, they send them to you. You then have the ability to either approve or request a new item if you're not happy with it. They then post it out to you and the item arrives, which is why when it comes, sometimes it doesn't look always the neatest in the bag. That's because it has been out so that they can take the photos for you. If you haven't used CNFans before, check out the link in my description. What that will do is if you sign up, it is a referral link that then helps me out by enabling me to get additional credits on the site so I can continue purchasing these items to review on my channel. So this is just a standard t-shirt, which once we've got it out of the bag, we'll take a full look at it. If you haven't used CNFans, or if you're interested and you want to know more, by all means leave a message below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Delivery timescales, you're looking at between 10 to 20 days normally from the item being dispatched to when it arrives on your doorstep. So yeah, cannot fault that for the speed of delivery and the price. So check out the link below for CNFans and get signed up if you haven't yet. So what we'll do is we'll open the bag and we'll take a look at this CNFans t-shirt. Okay, so we're on the front of this t-shirt and it is just a standard sort of collar. To be fair, I'm going to jump to the bottom straight away and say the material on this is really quite thick. It is a nice luxurious material. Stitching on the under the arms looks nice, and then the front of the shirt has all the Balenciaga logos. So if I can get that showing you nice and clearly, and these are printed into the material and they feel really nice. Just to go zoom out, and as I said in the intro of this video, the item is really creased, and that is just because of the way that the item has been taken out of the bag and the QC photos have been taken. But once it's been worn, washed, then these will soon disappear. So to give you a close-up on each of the graphics, and there we have all the Balenciaga logos. Oh, there's a slight pull at the bottom. I wonder if that's the design of the shirt. I'm going to say it must be, because there's a lot of pulls on the bottom there. If anybody knows, because this is the first item I've purchased like this, let me know. I would assume it's the design, but I could be wrong, because there are a lot of them. There's some on the back as well. Yes, some on the back. So I would assume, and to be fair, there's some on the sleeves as well. So I would assume that's how it's meant to be, but anybody who knows, let me know below in the comments. But there's the front of our t-shirt. Let's flip it around now and look at the reverse side too. Okay, we're onto the reverse side now. The collar line up there, and again look, you've got that, it's like a distorted sort of style. So yeah, somebody let me know in the comments, because I have no idea if that's how this is meant to look or not. But once again on the back we have all the Balenciaga logos. Let's go through them slowly so you can get a good look at each one. And as with the front of the shirt, these are all printed into the material. Okay, there's all our logos. If I put my hand under it, you can't see my hand through, but that's because the material, I say, it is quite thick actually. But there's the reverse side now. Let's take a look at the inside as well of this t-shirt. Okay, we've got the inside of the t-shirt. Actually, the collar line is really quite a chunky collar. Moving down, no issues with the stitching, and to be fair, I would expect there to be no issues on the stitching, because this is obviously meant to be a higher brand item coming at a good cost. And here's all those logos again that we can see. At the bottom we do have a tag, the size of large, Balenciaga. So this is our washing instructions. That's a very long tag, and the recommendation when washing these shirts is to flip them out inside out and put them on a hand wash setting. When you come to dry them, just put them on a hanger outside. That will obviously make your shirt last a lot longer. With it being white as well, definitely don't put it in with any other colours. You don't want anything leaking on this, because otherwise you will soon lose that white colour. But from the inside so far, all is looking fantastic. I don't actually remember buying it as a large. I think that's just the size that's in there. I think I purchased a XXL, because what I've noticed is that you should size up twice on these shirts. But let's have a look when we flip it around to see if there's another tag in there. Okay, so we've got the final part of the inside, and we've got a Balenciaga unisex tag there, and then some Balenciaga tags. Nothing with the size, and I'm sure that this is a XXL, not just a single large. I'm pretty confident that I would have double sized up, in all honesty. So if you get an item with a large tag on it, something like this, I wouldn't worry too much, because it's going to be sized up. But yeah, the stitching all looks spot on. Again, the graphics all into the material, and they all look absolutely perfect. Just jump into the bottom to the hemline, and that looks nice and tidy. Again, we've got those little marks there. Someone do let me know, please, if that's how these shirts are meant to be. But there's the inside of our t-shirt from CNFans. Quite like this one, actually. Let me know below what you think. And there we have it, our Balenciaga CNFans t-shirt. And as I mentioned in the intro, if you've not used CNFans before, it's an agent shopping portal website. You basically find the items that you want. An agent will then go and purchase them on your behalf. They'll show you all the QC photos. That makes sure that you're happy with them. And if you are happy with them, they will then post the item to you. Delivery timescale is between 10 and 20 days to the UK, which is absolutely perfect. So yeah, check out the referral link in the description of this video. I call it as a referral link because if you sign up to it, it does enable me to get some additional credits on the website, so I continue to buy these sort of items and do reviews for you on my channel. So yeah, if you haven't used CNFans, sign up. If you did enjoy this video, be sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments or questions, by all means leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. It can be around this or any other items that you've seen on my channel. But there we have it, our Balenciaga CNFans t-shirt. We've got some more CNFans items coming up, so make sure you subscribe and check back when they are released. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.